little ocean explorers! Let's meet some of the most amazing creatures under the sea. Let's swim together and discover 20 incredible sea animals. 1. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart, playful, and love to jump through the waves. They use clicks and whistles to talk to their friends underwater. 2. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. It's small, bright orange, and covered in white stripes. Clownfish live safely inside sea anemones that protect them. 3. Blue whale. This is a blue whale. It's the biggest animal on Earth, even larger than a house. Blue whales sing deep songs that travel far through the ocean. 4. Octopus. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms and can squirt ink when scared. It's super smart and can squeeze through tiny spaces. 5. Sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. It has a hard shell that protects its body. Sea turtles travel across whole oceans to lay their eggs on beaches. 6. Shark. This is a shark. It's fast, strong, and has super sharp teeth. Sharks keep the ocean healthy by eating sick fish. Now 7. Pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. It can puff up like a ball when it's scared. Even though it's small, it's one of the bravest fish in the sea. 8. Coral. This is coral. It looks like a colorful plant, but it's made of tiny animals. Coral reefs are home to thousands of sea creatures, like an underwater city. 9. Crocodile fish. This is a crocodile fish. It has a long snout like a crocodile but lives deep underwater. It hides on the ocean floor, waiting quietly to catch its prey. 10. Starfish. This is a starfish. It has 5 arms shaped like a star. If one arm breaks off, it can grow a new one. Wow! 11. Orca killer whale. This is an orca. It's strong, playful, and travels in families called pods. Orcas jump high out of the water and love working together. 12. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. It's soft, see-through, and floats gently in the water. Some jellyfish can glow beautifully in the dark. 13. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. It's tiny and shaped like a little horse. The daddy seahorse carries the babies in his tummy pouch. How sweet. 14. Seal. This is a seal. It has smooth skin and loves to swim and play in cold water. Seals can hold their breath for a very long time. 15. Eel. This is an eel. It's long, slippery, and swims like a snake. Eels hide in rocks and coral, waiting to catch small fish. 16. Walrus. This is a walrus. It has long tusks and loves to rest on ice. Walruses are gentle giants that live in cold Arctic waters. And 17. Beluga whale. This is a beluga whale. It's white, friendly, and known as the sea canary because it sings beautiful songs. Belugas live in icy seas and love to swim together in groups. 18. Lobster. This is a lobster. It has big claws and crawls on the ocean floor. Lobsters hide in rocks and use their claws to catch food. Good 19. Manta ray. This is a manta ray. It looks like it's flying under the sea with its wide, flat fins. Manta rays are gentle giants that glide gracefully through the water. 20. Swordfish. This is a swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose like a sword. Swordfish are super fast swimmers that zoom through the sea. Wow, what an amazing ocean journey, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye.